Welcome to our channel, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about the previous year, that is last term year CBSE Board Chemistry questions part 24, in which we are going to discuss the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid chapter. So here the thing is, we have to understand, first question is to predict the product of the following reaction. This was asked in the year of 2015 in Delhi board. And here one ketone is given and that will be reacting with the ammonia derivative. This is a hydrazine. So whenever aldehydes or ketones which will be reacting with ammonia derivative, as we discussed earlier, so there will be an elimination of water molecule. Likewise, here the hydrazine which will be reacting to eliminate the water molecule. By that way, I'll be getting a product CH3 double bond NH2. Okay, so this is what I'll be getting, and if it is react with KOH in presence of a base and glycol is a solvent, so and at the same time if we are heating this, so I'll be getting a product with the elimination of nitrogen gas, that is CH3 CH2 CH3 with the elimination of nitrogen gas is there. So I'll be getting the product like this, alkane I'll be getting. Okay, are you able to understand? That is what I'll be getting a product as alkane from ketone. It's nothing but it's a reduction reaction. And next one is whenever the keto group is come in between the alkyl and aryl group, that time it will be called as phenone. It should be in with phenone. This group is aceto, so acetophenone. So how the acetophenone will be reacting with NaOH and I? So here it is C6H5 C double band O CH3 group is there. Okay. So what is the reagent? You have to look at the reagent carefully. NaOH and I2 iodine. So what is the reagent? This is nothing but finding of ketone reactions, iodoform test. So iodoform test will respond only in the presence of these group, that is COCH3 group. If it existing in the compound, at the time it forms iodoform test. Iodoform will be getting formed. CHI3 will be getting formed. Along with that C6H5COONA. So one of the product is getting formed. This is yellow color precipitate. This is yellow color precipitate I'll be getting. Are you able to understand, students? And next one is a very interesting one. A compound A of molecular formula of C2H3OCl undergoes a series of reaction as shown below. Write the structure of A, B, C and D extra. Here C2H3OCl. So here I can write like this. There is CH3 C double band O Cl. Am I right? 2C. 3 hydrogen is there, 1 chlorine is there, 1 oxygen is there. That is what C2H3, C2H3OCl is there. And if it is react with the palladium hydrogen in presence of barium sulfate, this is nothing but a Rosenmund reduction. Here it getting converted into aldehyde, that is CH3 C double band O H is there. Okay, so I'll be getting formed an aldehyde. If aldehyde which will be reacting with dilute NaOH, this is nothing but a very simple reaction. So aldol condensation is getting formed. So I'll be getting an aldol product. So how the aldol product is getting formed? So there is nothing but CH3 CH here OH CH2 single bond CHO. This is nothing but aldol product. Otherwise the beta hydroxy aldehyde will be getting. Once the beta hydroxy aldehyde will be getting, this will be heating. If I am heating this hydrogen, this oxygen as well as, suppose if I am writing CH H like this, H plus wants to move it, by that way I will be getting one alkane, that is CH double bond CHO is there. So I'll be getting this product. So here now we can name it. This is a B. So acetaldehyde I'll be getting. So here this is C and this is what the D. Are you able to understand? This is what the A structure is given. That's what no need to find out the A. So A was given. From that we have to conduct Rosenman reduction by using a palladium hydrogen as well as barium sulfate as a poison. So here as you know that why we are using barium sulfate here, that we'll all know very well, because if you don't know about the concept, please go and watch my previous video. You will be getting good idea about this. Next one is describe the mechanism of aldol condensation. So what is aldol condensation? So aldol condensation, the very most important thing is the first condition, it should have either aldehyde or ketone. So usually aldehydes or ketones will involving in aldol condensation. So here same aldehydes or same ketones. Okay, different aldehydes are involving, that will be called as a cross aldol condensation, that we know very well. So second most condition is it should possess alpha hydrogen. So it should possess alpha hydrogen. Once it has alpha hydrogen, that molecules only undergoes aldol condensation. Let's see the mechanism of this one. This is nothing but if I am taking example CH3 C double bond OH. If it is react with a base NaOH, this is the dilute base. If I am taking this OH minus will come and attack the alpha carbon. This is a functional group. This is the alpha carbon. So here this will be acting as a base, so which will picks up the hydrogen. So if I am writing this CH2 and H like this, so it will picks up the hydrogen from this CH2. By the way, I will be getting CH2 minus C double bond OH there. That is what I will be forming a nucleophile. Now my nucleophile, that is CH2 minus C double bond OH, that is going to attack my second molecule CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, are you able to understand, students? So here this is what now this will be attacking the carbon only. Why it is attacking carbon only? It is not a base, it is a nucleophile. This nucleophile always attacks the carbon, but here base always attacks the hydrogen. Okay, so now what will be getting a product? So we will be getting a product like this, that is CH3CO minus. That is what I am formed, and one hydrogen is there along with here CH2 CHO group is there. Okay, if it is acidified, so if it is acidified, if I am adding acid, so I will be getting a product like this, that is CH3 CH, here it is OH, here CH2 CHO. So I will be getting a aldol product. This is nothing but aldol product. Are you able to understand, students? In first step it will be acting as a base, in second step it will be acting as a nucleophile. So if the OH minus will acting as a base, by the way it can picks up the hydrogen from the alpha carbon. So by that way, that is what it required. Alpha hydrogen is the first condition, and second condition is aldehydes and ketones are generally involving in aldol condensation reaction. Are you able to understand, students? And next one is, so here one ketone is given, cyclohexanone is given, that will be reacting with the hydroxylamine. So whenever, as you know that whenever the aldehydes are ketone, that is a carboxyl group carbonyl group will able to react with the ammonia compounds. At that time it eliminate the water molecules. By that way I will be getting a product like this, that is what I will be getting, the double bond NOH. This is nothing but an oxime product. Are you able to understand, students? This is an oxime I will be getting. Okay, and next one is benzaldehyde, that is benzaldehyde which will be reacting with NaOH. So what kind of product you may obtain? So that is the question. So benzaldehyde, which is whether it is having alpha hydrogen? No, it is not having alpha hydrogen. That is what it involving in Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. What is the Cannizzaro reaction condition? It should not have alpha hydrogen. If the molecule is said not to possess alpha hydrogen, that kind of molecules will involving in these kind of reaction, which is Cannizzaro reaction. So here what I'll be getting a product. So it is nothing but a disproportionation reaction. One of the molecule will undergo oxidation, one of the molecule will undergo reduction, that we discussed in the earlier classes also. So that is what I'll be directly writing the product. One of the product, that is C6H5COONA. Along with that, another product C6H5 CH2OH. I'll be getting a product. One of the product is acidic, one of the product is alcohol. So here the alcohol to aldehyde to alcohol is nothing but oxidation. Here aldehyde to alcohol is nothing but a reduction. So both oxidation and reduction reaction taking place. That is what this reaction is called as disproportionation reaction. Are you able to understand, students? I think so you understand very well. Thank you so much for watching. Please go forward to others to get benefit. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you once again. Thank you. Thank you for learning. Share and like this video.